That's watching the video, and here, sister. So yes, there's another video on how you can withdraw from your OKX account. Just in case you want to know how you can deposit and other videos about OKX, everything will be in the description of the video. So check them out after watching this one. Let's start with how you can withdraw from your OKX account to your bank account or your Momo account. But first, like the video and don't forget to also subscribe to this channel for more videos as well. Let's start it and let's go. Okay, so there are two ways that you can withdraw from your OKX account. Okay, and look at the top left corner this side, you tap on it. When you tap on it, when you come to this side, we have the withdrawal button right here. Then you tap on it. So with the withdrawal, this is the first way that you're going to withdraw from your account. And with this one, just like sending money from your account to another account on OKX. Okay, so it's just a sending method for your account, but not particularly withdraw, but that button is set as withdraw because you are withdrawing from your account to another account. Then you search for the type of crypto that you are going to send, whether USDT or any other cryptocurrency that you want to send. Then you select that one. Okay, so for me, I'll be using USDT. We have two ways, either on chain or internal. Okay, so if on chain, you have this one, you enter the person address right here, and then you select the network type, that TRC20, ERC20, or anyone, you select it. So let's say TRC20, and then you enter the amount that you want to send, and then where you want to send or choose from. Okay, so we have the funding where we have 50 USDT. Okay, and after that, you look down and then you tap on submit, and then the money will be sent. Okay, yes, but the other one too is there for you to use as well, the internal, which is free. So you will set the phone number, or you can also choose whether phone number, email, sub account, or UID, and then you enter it right here. After that, you enter the amount that you want to send, and then you will select where you are withdrawing from. Okay, then you tap on confirm and continue to make payments or withdraw from your account to another account. Now let's get to the other part of it. If you haven't liked the video, just like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos right here on this platform. Now the second one is to P2P. Okay, P2P trading. If you don't see it on your home screen, go to the left, top left, the dots there, and then to bring it to this side, and then you tap on P2P trading. You will see it as where we have the managed asset, P2P trading. Then you tap on it. You tap on it to bring it to this side, and then look down here. We have the P2P, we have the orders, add, chart, and then we have the profile. Go to profile. So first, you need to link your account. So when you come to the profile, look here and tap on the payment. Okay, and then you tap on the add now. Okay, so you're going to add a payment that when you are withdrawing from your OKX account, it will get into your Momo or bank or whatever account that you select right here. So first you select the currency, and for me it is Ghana cedis. Okay, yes, and then we have the payment method. You tap on it, and then you select right here. Okay, so you just come here and choose your own. I'll be selecting MTN mobile money. Okay, then you enter the account name and you enter the phone number. Okay, but know that with the data that you use to register the account, that will be the details that they will ask or be there first. After that, you enter your phone number. So make sure the phone number is matching with your account details. So if you use Goodman for your account creation on the OKX, on your Momo or your bank, it should be the same thing. Then you enter your phone number right here. Then you tap on add down here. So it will have to verify with your passkey, and payment method has been successfully added, and then you will see it right here. When you are done with the payment method, adding it to your account, come back to the down here, move to P2P. Okay, and then look right here, we have the buy and sell. Go to sell. When you come to the sell, we have the currency or the crypto that you want to sell, and then you select the crypto that you want to sell right here. After that, you can select the amount that you want to sell as well. So let's say for me 50, because that's the amount that I have. Then you tap on the enter right here. When you tap on the enter, then with the payment method, you just tap on it, and then you select mobile money or the bank or anyone that you want. Okay, so the reason why we are doing this at the top is to simplify, to filter, to give us agents who can perform the transaction. So we have Mama Love right here, and then it will be showing your currency. So with the USDT that you select, okay, or the crypto that you select, one of them is equal to 16, or it will be showing right here. Okay, after that, look at the agents. Some of the agents are offline, some of the agents are online, and you see most of them are offline just because of the time that I'm doing this video. Okay, so you look for an active one, and then we have the first one right here. It's active. Okay, you could see the green dot right here, but he is on and off. That person is on and off, but we see it as the person is online. Or you can choose, we have this one as well that you can choose right here. Okay, so if you don't want to select or go through this, then you have to be scrolling through and then be checking for yourself. Okay, so it is better you come to this side, you select your crypto, you select the amount, and then you select the payment method, and then it will give you this agent. Then you tap on the sell. Okay, so you tap on the sell right here, and then it will bring you to this side where you are going to enter the amount that you are going to sell. We have in the crypto and also in your local currency. So with mine, I'll go to max, I'll go to all, I'll enter all. Okay, and then look down, you will know how much you receive. So you receive 813. You get it. Okay, so this is the amount that I will be receiving, and then it is between 30 minutes, and then this transaction will be completed, and then we could see the status is here as online. Okay, so look down here, and then you tap on sell USDT with 0 fees. Okay, you confirm everything right here once again, and then you tap on sell. Then you verify your passkey once again. Tap on OK down here. Beware of scammers. Okay, so make sure you follow this test very carefully, because if you're not careful, you can lose all your funds. Okay, so look right here, we have the chart, top right corner. Tap on the chart, and then you have to wait for some time, and know that it is subscribers only. So if your sim is agent sim on MTN or merchant sim, you are not part, so only subscribers only. And then it has given you question right here. Okay, so you wait for some time. Let's wait for some time, and then we will see the money in our account. Then let's go back and let me show you something. You will look down here, and then you will tap on the release crypto. So if the person or the merchant or the agent hasn't made payment to your account, the release crypto will not be turned on for you to tap on it. And as you receive the money in your account, make sure you confirm that the money is really in your account before you will tap on the release crypto. Otherwise, nothing can be done about it. So when you look down, you could see release crypto, which means that the money have been paid, and I have confirmed that the money is in my account. When you get the message, don't just rely on the message. Scammers are around. Just check your account, main account, bank account, mobile money, any account. Check in there to see that the money is in your account before you come here and then you tap on crypto. And before you tap on the crypto, you could see we have some chat right there. Let's tap on it, and then let's see what's going right here. So okay, the buyer is saying that he has paid. Okay, and now let's go back to release the crypto. So you come back right here, we have the release crypto. Tap on it, and then you have to upload a screenshot of the payment proof, the message that you receive. Upload it right here that you have received the money, and then you will tap on the release crypto down here. So when you tap on it, then you will give OKX access to your gallery or pictures, so that it can select the picture that or the screenshot that you took from your gallery. So after selecting, look down here, and then you will tap on the release crypto right here, and then you confirm your passkey. So after that, the money will be sent and released. So let's send a positive feedback. It wasn't that difficult for me to do this. Okay, this is how you can withdraw your crypto or your money from your OKX account to your wallet, to your bank or Momo or any other option.